Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out with not receiving messages on Instagram, and then in particular the people that you are not following. So from here, go right in the bottom to our profile and then tap on the three lines right in the top. Then we want to scroll down and then tap on messages and story replies. Then tap on message controls. And from here, we can control a lot of messages. All right, then I want to tap on your followers on Instagram and then do message request or don't receive request, whatever you want. But for me, it's okay to get message requests from my followers. And then others on Instagram. And then it's important to do don't receive requests. So from here, you won't receive messages and you won't receive requests. And this is the most important setting that you want to turn on. This is how it works. If you find this helpful, please smash a like. And for now, thanks for watching.